I'm Mark Bruce with Keller Williams and the Sarasota Lakewood Ranch Home Specialist. Welcome to the wonderful neighborhood of Greyhawk Landing and our new listing here at 329 Snapdragon Loop. It's a wonderful East Manatee County community with lots of family fun features. The house is fantastic. Let's go in and take a look. You have to love this amazing kitchen. 42-inch tall cabinets, LG gas stove, double oven, great black stainless steel appliances, granite countertops. This kitchen's loaded. It feeds right off into the kitchen nook, with a little buffet bar top on top, and then the family room as we move out towards the pool area. The flow here is just amazing. I absolutely love it, and so will you and your family.
Some great features of Greyhawk Landing are its 3 access points, all gated and secure. From an amenity standpoint, families will absolutely love it. There's a fitness facility, a children's playground, and a huge, wonderful pool with water features for kids to enjoy on those super hot days.